Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel Code Masters. Today, we will be discussing one of the most basic but essential programs in Python, a simple calculator. A calculator is a tool that helps us perform mathematical operations with ease. A simple calculator program can be created in Python using basic mathematical operators and functions. Let's dive straight into the code to create our simple calculator program.
Okay, so now we are here in our Jupyter notebook. So let's start implement the calculator in this Jupyter notebook block. So first of all, we will print the heading that welcome to calculator, and anything else that you want to look beautiful. Our main target is to program should be look beautiful and attractive that user can easily understand. Second, we will ask the user what is the first number that you want to put in the calculator, as we already perform in our calculators that we should need to enter two numbers, number 1 and number 2. So first we ask the user what should be their first number, and same as for the second number, that what will be their second numbers. So we ask the user using these two input that we already discussed in our first tutorial, that how to ask the user that how to print, and how to ask the user that how to get the numbers. Number second, we will print a menu that consists of different operations like additions, like subtraction, like multiplication, like divisions. Okay, when you select one of them operator from all of above options, then we will implement the if statement. If statement will check that which operation user want to perform. If statement we already discussed in our tutorial 2, that condition statement and formula we already discussed in our tutorial 2. If you don't see this tutorial, so first go see this tutorial and then perform this calculator on your own behalf. So it will check user want to perform addition operation, that it will be check it is 1. If it is 1, then it will be sum two numbers. If it is 2, it means to user want to subtract two numbers, then it will be subtract. If user want to multiply two numbers, then it will be multiply two numbers. If user want to subtract two numbers, then it will be subtract two numbers. Okay, if in this case, where we can already be seen that if any number divided by 0, it will be a logical error, no number can be divided by 0, it will be answer infinity, so it will not perform this operator. So we add here a condition that if num2 in division is 0, then it will be said no number can be divided by 0, and it will be causing error, else it will be perform simple division formula here. Next, if user perform any invalid choice, there is a 4 option and user want to perform fifth operation that is a illogical, so it will be create invalid choice. Here is the simple calculator, but we want to make it complex. First we run it and check. So here he asks me what will be the first number, so I put here 5. The second number I put here 10. So which operation I want to perform here? Let's say I perform to pressure multiply. So yet he did not give me the answer because I do not use print statement here. So we will add print statement here like that. So now we run it again and check. So here is the answer, it will give me the 200. Okay.
The program starts by printing a welcome message and then asks the user to input two numbers. It then displays a menu of arithmetic operations to choose from and asks the user to select one. The program performs the selected operation on the two numbers and prints the result. If the user wants to perform another calculation, the program asks for two new numbers and repeats the process. The program handles the case of division by 0 and invalid user input. It uses a while loop to repeat the program as long as the user wants to perform more calculations. Finally, the program prints a thank you message when the user is done using the calculator. In conclusion, A simple calculator program is a great way to learn the basics of Python programming. By using basic mathematical operators and functions, we can create a useful tool that performs mathematical operations with ease. That's it for today's tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep coding and never give up. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel Code Masters for more exciting programming content. Happy coding!